Dear friends, welcome to the induction program. This induction program is meant only for students who have recently joined IGNOU. I want to tell you what IGNOU is. IGNOU is a university established in 1985 by an act of parliament. It is like any central university in the country. For example, Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Banaras Hindu University, etc. So IGNOU is also a central university. But this is the only university which was established by the central government only for distance education. Now, I will later on tell you what distance education is, but you have to know that IGNOU is not only a central university but an international university. It has presence in 43 countries and it has more than 80 partner institutions, for example, study centers in these 43 countries. Lot of people ask me whether IGNOU degrees are recognized by the government. You have to know and you have to understand that IGNOU being a central university, all degrees are recognized in India and abroad for higher education as well as for central government jobs. You know, UGC has issued a circular to all universities in the year 1992 that degrees of IGNOU are to be treated at par with any university in the country. And this was one of the major success for distance education students. Similarly, Association of Indian Universities has recognized degrees of IGNOU at par with any other degree of higher education in the country. You know, your university, that is IGNOU, is also one of the largest university across India and across the world, and it has enrollment of more than 25 lakh students presently. IGNOU has established regional centers in all states of the country as extended arms of the university to help you. Similarly, the regional centers have established learner support centers or study centers with the approval of the university, which provide counseling, which is also known as teaching classes. So we have a whole network of 67 regional centers, more than 3,000 learner support centers which provide assistance to you. And IGNOU provides lot of courses, and the level of courses could be a certificate course, which is a 1 semester course, a diploma course, which is a 1 year course, degree course at the undergraduate level, which is a 3 year course, the PG diploma course, which could be 1 year, and PG degree, which is 2 years duration. You have to understand how the ODL system works. What is ODL system? It is known as the Open and Distance Learning System. The distance learning system is known, or the definition of distance learning system is where there is a physical separation of the learner from the teacher. In regular class when you go, there is a teacher, but in distance learning system, the teacher is sitting someplace else and the students are learning. So although the curriculum is fixed and the curriculum is decided by the faculty members sitting in IGNOU headquarters, the methodology or the learning that we impart is very open, is very flexible, and we give you lot of modes in which to learn. We provide you various kind of materials, various systems like the video lectures, like Wiki, like broadcast media, like telecast media, in order to provide you education and training. Open also means that it is not restricted. Unlike regular system, students of any age can join us. Plus, we do not say that you will have to complete this course in 3 years. You can choose your own pace whenever you have time, whenever you have the inclination to study, take your courses. The attendance is also flexible. You don't have to come to the classes every day. You can go for the counseling sessions only on Saturdays and Sundays. Also, it's a learner-centric system where we provide learning, not teaching. We provide you all the methods by which you can self-learn. You go into the counseling session, discuss with your peers. The peer learning is also a very important component of distance education. Similarly, we provide you various ICT enabled learning methodology. For example, we provide you books, e-books, which are available on the regional center website, also in eGyan Kosh, which you can study on the computer itself. Similarly, we provide you a lot of flexibility in choosing what you want to study. Friends, open and distance learning is not correspondence education, as a lot of people will ask you to believe. But open and distance learning is a new emerging model, and it has grown a lot in the past 10 years all across the world. Open and distance learning has become very popular amongst working professionals. Similarly, among those youth who are new age learners, who are spending a lot of time on Facebook, Twitter, they are the ones who are learning through the ICT based methodology. Similarly, it is very good for those people who are not able to afford regular education. Where the regular education has become very costly, this provides you a cheaper solution. Similarly, all disadvantaged community, all socially disadvantaged communities like women, like rural people, like prisoners, they are the ones who find open and distance learning very convenient. It is also good for people like me, who are continuous learners, who want to learn throughout their life, lifelong learning, to improve their employability also, to improve their skills also. From the regular system, if a student is not able to get a good job, he must do certain good certificate courses in order to improve his employability. Now I want to tell you what is the structure of the open and distance learning. Everywhere you will find that this particular course is a 4-credit course or a 2-credit course or a 6-credit course. A credit basically means that in order to get 1 credit, a student must spend about 30 hours of learning time, which includes attending the counseling, preparing for the counseling, preparing your presentations, video lectures, seeing the video lectures, doing the assignment, taking the examination, all included. For 1 credit, you will have to spend about 30 hours. Similarly, when you are planning the choice of courses, you will have to see what and where you want to emphasize or you want to specialize in. Most of the students, what they do is, they choose easy course in the first go. Don't do that. Take some difficult courses also, so that you get more than one chance in clearing that paper, in clearing that course. For example, in the MP program or MBA program, most of the students, for the mathematical courses, they take in the last semester, and if they fail once, their degree is delayed. Don't do that. Take it in the first or second semester, so that you get more chances to clear it. You have to understand that a certificate program consists of about 16 to 18 credits. A diploma program is somewhere around more than 30 and more than 30 credits. A UG program is more than about 90 credits. A professional UG program is somewhere around 120 credits, and a PG program is somewhere around 60 credits. Now every course, for example, these are the programs. Now every course in the program consists of blocks. There are normally about three blocks in every course. One block consists of 5 to 6 units, and in order to read one unit, it will take you about 9 to 10 hours of preparation. So basically, what we are trying, that you must spend somewhere around 900 hours in 1 year in order to clear one program. Similarly, there are foundation courses and there are elective courses. Go through your program guide, and every program has rules which need to be followed, and you are required to read first few pages of the program guide in order to understand the rules of that program. If you don't do that, then you will make mistakes and you will have to come back to request for something which would not be possible. Now, in the learning within IGNOU, normally there are about 8 or 10 theory sessions per year in one course. In the practical oriented courses, you will find that there are somewhere around 10 practical sessions in a year, except for example MCA course, there are about 40 practical courses. You will have to submit an assignment, and assignment submission for a July student is by 30th of September. So by 30th of September, you must have completed 2 or 3 theory sessions which you have already taken, and you are ready to submit an assignment. We provide you the printed material which is prepared by the IGNOU faculty members, which is known as the self-learning material. This self-learning material is provided to you free of cost, and it is included in the fee itself. Then we have lot of material available in the IGNOU website. If you go, you will find eGyan Kosh, video lectures, IGNOU Wiki, which is available on the net, and also video lectures and other CDs are available in your study center library as well as IGNOU library. Apart from that, you will find that there are broadcast and telecast methods. For example, there is a Gyanvani channel on FM, there is a Gyan Darshan channel on TV, where you can hear the faculty members about your particular course. Then within the learning material, you will always find that there are preparatory questions known as index questions. Now this you must attempt, because this is a self-assessment methodology. The assignments that you submit will account for about 25 to 30% of your final grades, and the term end examination will account for about 70 to 75% of your final grades. So friends, in this section I have told you about what IGNOU is, what is the ODL system, how you must plan your preparation. Since you are a new student in IGNOU, you need to study your program guide, you need to prepare early, you need to attend counseling. I have also told you about why, being in IGNOU, you are sitting with students of 43 countries. You have to feel proud that you are in an international university. In the next session, I am going to talk a little bit about what is assignment, what is counseling, and how you must prepare for your education with IGNOU.